So this light bulb is a bayonet fitting and it's toast. So what we need is a new bulb. This bulb, because it's a bayonet fitting, it's a twist and unlock. It's actually pretty dead easy, to be honest. Hold the thingy like that, twist to this direction, and then hey presto. This is our replacement bulb. Osram, good quality, good brand. New Osram, same length, identical. Let's fit it. It's not easy to do one-handed, but it can be done. Try not to touch the contacts. Put it in there. And then holding the thingy light holder, you would twist to the right, and that is fitted. Let's test the light. Brilliant, we have a working new light. That is how you fit a new light with a bayonet fixing in Britain.